Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dublin Airport, where the weather's always a surprise and the baggage claim is a test of patience and faith. We've just landed a little ahead of schedule. Don't worry, we're as shocked as you are. Please stay seated with your seatbelts fastened until we've come to a complete stop. I know you're all dying to stand up and stare at your phones, but we promise the doors will open soon. Probably. The local time is, well, whatever your phone says, because honestly, it's more accurate than our watches. Outside, it's a lovely 12 degrees and lightly raining, or as Dubliners call it, a fine day for a walk. If Dublin is home, welcome back. You've survived another Aer Lingus Landing. We call that a win. And if you're visiting, prepare your liver, your umbrella, and your best smile for the locals who'll call you love within 5 minutes. On behalf of Aer Lingus and this fine A230 that somehow stayed in one piece, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. It's been a pleasure having you on board. And if it wasn't, well, we'll assume it was Ryanair. Slán go Foill, enjoy your stay, and please remember, the exits are exactly where they were when you came in.